Hey, this is Jennifer, and I want to show you how to make the 360 images in the Street View app on your phone so that you can also contribute Street View images to Google Maps. So I have a folder of apps on my phone called Google, and you can see the one in the center of the top row is called Street View. So I'm going to select that, and it's going to open up the app. Now at the bottom of the screen, you see a orange with a camera with a plus. I'm going to select that and get my camera options. The first one that says link external 360, that would be if you had a Theta camera that you could connect, so it would be grabbing the images from the Theta camera and putting it inside of the app. If you already have 360 pictures you want to import, you can use that second option, but you don't have to have a fancy camera to do this. All you need is your phone. So we're going to use the camera option, which is the last option, and it's going to open up the screen for me. Now the goal is to center the circle around the orange dot, and when you do, it's going to automatically take it. And notice that when I did that image, it gave me an orange dot on every side of the picture. So now I'm going to go up and continue to center the circle in the orange dots. And the goal here would be to go all the way around and get an entire image of the space that I'm in or the location that I'm in. This happens to be the house I'm staying at. So we're just going to grab a little bit of where I'm sitting in the kitchen. But the goal here then would be to continue all the way around so you got an entire image. Now what you're noticing as each picture is taken, there is around the checkbox at the bottom, it's continuing to fill in. So the goal is to get it to turn green, which means you would have grabbed an image of every part of your location. I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to select the checkbox. So it goes ahead and makes the image. Even though you're not getting a full 360, you'll understand how it works. So it takes just a little bit for the image to load. You can see some that I took yesterday. This happens to be one with the Theta camera. One of the things about Theta is you either have to put it down and walk away and take the picture, or you have to have long arms or a really nice stick in order to get a great picture. Whereas with the app inside of the Google app, the Street View app, you can stand in one place and circle around yourself. So now you can see this image. Now, is it perfect? No. Obviously, the A in NOLA is a little off. The artwork is a little off, but this would be the image that I could use. So I'm going to go ahead and select that image, and I can kind of look around and see. Again, it's not perfect, but if you don't have a camera, this is an actual image that I could easily use to show my kids what a place was that I visited, or if you're on a field trip and you want kids to grab images that they can bring back and share, maybe part of a presentation, maybe they're talking to you about their favorite place on the field trip that they went. Notice at the top, you have the Google Cardboard option. So you could, in fact, select that, turn your device and put it inside of a Google Cardboard, and if this was a full 360, you could actually see it in the 360 mode inside of Google Cardboard. So great tool for bringing the outside to your students. Now if I wanted to add this image to Google Maps, I'd need to make sure that it had a location tag. So right now it says edit location, but it's got the date there. The three little more options up by the cardboard, if I would select pick a maps listing, I can search for the place that I am. So I'm going to search for Garden District, New Orleans, Louisiana, because that's where I am right now. And I can add that GPS tag. And then if I'm ready to share this with the world, all I have to do is click publish and publish it to Google Maps, and it will automatically post it in the sky and add it to Google Maps that everybody else in the world can see. So if somebody was searching for Garden District, New Orleans, Louisiana, this is one of the pictures that would come up. I didn't publish the tool to the web because I'm just showing this for an example, but if I had, that's what would happen. And you'll notice that at the bottom of the screen, the tag changed to Garden District. So it updated the tag, and that's how it connects. When somebody then searches for Garden District, this would be one of the pictures they found if I published it to Google Maps. So it's a great little tool for getting your students involved in using their own devices to create some content, to demonstrate learning by creating 360 pictures, and then they can contribute and crowdsource the images of the world that we have to share with one another. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.